what happens right after the generator kicks on. So you're going to see the load. We're looking for amperage and frequency as the load hits. So here we go.
To do here is simulate an outage. Then we will go from device to device. We're going to individually power on certain burners on the stove, move to the air conditioner and stuff like that, so you can see how it affects the unit during an outage. When the loads come on, depending on what load it is, you're going to hear and see the action from the generator compared to the output of amps and frequency that the unit is supplying with each load being turned on.